Hey, what's up? This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to create one of these completion bars in a cell in Excel. And I'm going to teach you in such a way that you can basically make this look almost however you want, depending on the amount of research you want to do. So let's get started here. I'm going to copy this fictional data that I just created and create a new sheet so we can walk through the steps. And I'll write completion bar here. And the first thing we want to do is tell Excel that we want to repeat a certain character. And to do that, we use the rept function. And the character we want to use is going to be a unique character, or a unichar. 9632 is going to give you the shaded medium-sized box. If you want a number between 1 and 255, you can use just char in Excel. If the number is greater than 255, you need to use unichar to make this work. But so we want to repeat this character, which is the shaded box, comma, this many times, 76 times, which is in cell B2. We're going to close all this up, and we also want to add another character to repeat. So we put in an ampersand, and then repeat, and we want to put in empty boxes afterwards. So we're going to do unichar 9633 in this case, and we want to show 100 less 76, or cell B2, of those empty boxes. So let's extend this out and then run this formula down just to show that it is expandable to all the cells below. So you'll see here, or I'm sorry, in the first cell we have 76 shaded medium squares and 24 unshaded, 95 shaded squares in the second line, and then 5 unshaded, and so forth. Now the reason that this is scalable to look however you want is because you can look online and look up so many different characters that you can choose other than this look here. So by doing a little research on those, you can make this completion bar look however you'd like. You do not need this secondary statement if you only want one image to show. And you can also actually go greater than 2 different images if you do another ampersand and so forth. So this makes it pretty customizable for whatever your use case, but this is effectively the formula that you'll use to create something that looks like this, or whatever you choose. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helps.